Well, hello, how are you? Hey, it snowed last night, and in a previous video, or a couple of previous videos, we showed you all about the Briggs and Stratton snowblower. I put it together in one of the videos. We did how a snowblower works in another video, and it just happened to snow last night. So we're going to do a little test drive of the Briggs and Stratton snowblower. Come along with me. So we've got about 6 inches of snow, and it's piled up on the end a couple of feet. So this is probably a good thing for you to watch so you can see how well this snowblower works. Okay, there we go. Now this has an electric start, but I don't really need to use the electric start because I have a heated garage. So we're gonna just do the pull start. It's got you know, the choke and the on switch and all that traditional stuff, and the primer bulb. So pretty much straightforward what we got to do. So I'll start it up. I bet you this will start up in one pull. Yes! Undo the choke. All right. Here we go. Snowbank. Wow. Cereal box. Here we have our helper Jack. This is what you do when you don't have a snowblower. I don't think we had to use the snowblower today. I think you're doing a good job. What do you think? Wouldn't that be great if we had a snowblower? There it is at the end of the driveway, still running. Okay, let's proceed. Oh boy. Here comes that big snowbank. Watch this bad boy. Slow down. Yeah, I gotta put it in reverse. Back it up. Oh. Now you gotta put it in first gear. It's the Briggs and Stratton 1024 snowblower. Well, thanks for watching. Hey, if this helped you out, well, I'm glad. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you later. Jack's still shoveling. He's coming over here right now.
Better turn that off before I get you.
No.
I'm gonna get you.